winter storm watch advisory from the National Weather Service. So we are just monitoring the situation. This advisory could be changed to a warning later today. Right now, the information we have is that conditions will remain relatively safe until about sunset tomorrow evening, and then things could start to deteriorate at some point after that. We're asking folks to be smart. After sunset tomorrow, please remain at home if at all possible. Don't go out unless it's an absolute emergency. If you lose power, be prepared to shelter in place for about 24 hours, and then the weather should improve enough to where we should be able to get around more easily. But at this point in time, if you lose power and there's ice on the roads or trees down, it's going to be really difficult to get around and move people into a safer place. So really, in this kind of situation, home is probably the safest place to be. We're as prepared as we can possibly be for this kind of situation. We have trucks full of sand and that kind of thing to help with traction on the road surfaces where we have problem areas. And of course, we have lots of crews out there that can deal with fallen trees and that kind of thing, and hopefully assist the power company in getting to the areas they need to get to go to work on any potential power outages. Any questions?
Is the city setting up any emergency shelters at this time?
Not at this point, no.
I mean, if they have to, they'll be able to?
Yeah, I mean, that wouldn't necessarily be the city, but we're coordinating all of those activities with Red Cross and others, and at this point in time, there is no plans to open a shelter. But again, that could change depending on the conditions.
Weather-wise, what are you guys planning for tomorrow right now?
Well,
what should we expect?
Yeah, but tomorrow afternoon, rain starting, maybe some snow flurries. At some point in the evening, it could change to freezing rain. That's really our prime concern here. And then Wednesday looks like it could be kind of an ugly day right now, with things then improving again on Thursday.
How experienced is the city in dealing with this kind of weather?
On a smaller scale, we do this every winter to some extent. So we do the sand on the roads pretty much, here and there every winter. But usually it's in response to, we've had to go out and deal with a fire in a cold situation and created ice with firefighting water, or somebody's irrigation system breaks or whatever and puts water on the road. So it's a smaller scale thing, but yeah, we are prepared to do this where we need to tomorrow.
How many trucks are we talking about with sand and things like that?
I don't have a number. I mean, we have lots of crew trucks that can haul sand. Probably 20 to 50 different trucks have that capability.
So I'm sure the first thing you're telling folks is not to be out on the road as much as possible.
As I said, opening remarks is the smart thing is everybody stay at home. Those of us who are from the north know there's really no safe way to drive on ice. It's a whole different thing than snow. It's just very, very difficult. So the smart thing is to be at home, stay at home until conditions are such that you can safely travel. If we do get freezing rain, there's likely to be trees and power lines down, so there's going to be a lot of roads that are inaccessible anyway. Again, if we have those conditions. Now, weather could shift one way or the other a little bit, make a huge difference for us, where we may not see really anything too much at all, or could be pretty bad. So we're just monitoring at this point.
When was the last time you had weather similar to what you're expecting this week?
Gosh, I don't know. Not since I've been here. I've been here almost 14 years, and we haven't had a situation like this since I've been here. I know we had